Hey friends, welcome back to your girl Brittany, your friendly neighborhood crafter, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I know this is for Globeland, and they have awesome dies and stamps. They even have like the what is it, like the bigs type dies where you what's it called, steel roll or something like that, where you can use like faux leather and stuff through your machines as well. They have so many fun things. I will have them linked down below in the description box for you, as well to the links of the products that I am going to share with you today. So first things first, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on any future videos of your girl. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. You know I love it when you come on by and come hang out with me. So anyways, I actually got quite a few bows in this one. So, and you guys know how I have my love for bows, so it's gonna be super awesome. So I'm gonna show you what I had chose, and then I'll show you a few examples, and then I'll come back in another video showing you how I kind of put things together and utilize the products as well. All right, cool. All right, sit back, relax, and let's watch. So the first thing I want to show you, I did get this stamp set. I am not really much of a stamper. I'm really trying to get back into at least doing it, like doing simple basic cards and stamping like cute little sentiments on the inside. And this one is just like, it has these big bold cursive style prints with happy, love, and friend, and then you have like other like you know, birthday, anniversary, feel better soon. So it's kind of a universal type die set where you can kind of use it for whatever, not die, sorry, stamp set, but you can utilize it for whatever. And when it comes to stamping, I am a fan of my sentiments, so I really liked how that looks, so I can't wait to go ahead and play with that. And then I have these bows here. Now these bows come all together, so it's a 3-pack of these bows, and it's like under $6. So to get a 3-pack of these bows and it'd be under $6, like you can barely even find that even on Ali or Amazon. So we have this first one here, super cute. It has like a little split here when you do it, and then you have like little wings. Here's the tail here, and then this is what it looks like when you cut it out. So adorable. And then like how the little fun, like look like little chompers, like teeth, like dinosaur teeth. But it is so cute, kind of like reminds me like a butterfly-esque type thing, and you guys know how I feel about that. And so that is what it looks like. And then here is another example of using that die really quick. So we have that one, and then this one here, this one is actually super cute. It has the big petals, or the big bow portion here. This one also comes with fuller wings, and then you have your tails right here, and this is what it looks like. I didn't put the center on this one. I just used some ribbon for this, but that is what it looks like. So stinking cute. And then we have this one, which is a unicorn. So you have like this little star, so you could like leave inside of the die if you want to have stars punched out in it, or you can go ahead and remove it. And then we have this longer piece here. We have different style like ears, well, not different style, we have like the layering piece for the ears, and then we have the layering piece for the unicorn horn. I did not cut this one out yet, so I don't have an example, but like I said, I'll be coming back in another video showing you some projects and whatnot with those. And then next I have these cute little like hanging tags. Now I was thinking of possibly using them kind of like bag toppers, but you know what, I haven't even made that like tag hanger little cubby box thing yet, so I thought this would also be a cool thing to utilize. Oops. So we have this one here that has a little cat. It like does a little cat face impression on it. And then we have these two here, and then it also comes with this style here. So like the little cat, this is what that looks like. So you have like the little impression with the whiskers and the eyes there. And so if you were to have some jewelry, I don't have like a bracelet or anything near me right now. Or here we go. I have some washi tape. So you can go like this, and then you fold it together. So you can go ahead and give something like this to a crafty friend, or even if you're doing craft fairs. That's kind of the idea of that. I'm still not understanding why it was the cat or they just offered one with the cat, but I mean, to each your own. And then I have a couple examples. So we all know how Christmas in July, and I have a couple of these. So this one is this, and then this one is this, wait, that one. And then we have this one, and then I haven't done that one yet. But when you fold it over onto a piece, it just folds over like that, and then you just apply it onto whatever it is that you want to apply it to, and then that is what the back looks like. So if you do something like, if you just want to do like a small bag of candy and then add a cute little topper to it, or do one of those like little tag hanger things, and then when you add the straw or the like the pick apparatus to go through it, through the holes, you can just have everything hanging down. So that'd be really cute. And so like that's what this looks like folded, and then here's the back. So it doesn't line up evenly, and that's done on purpose. And then same thing here, you just fold that one over. And so I just did up a few of simple little details for like Christmas and July crafts to kind of jumpstart some things. And then last but not least, the other thing I chose here, I haven't played with this one yet, so I can't wait to test this one out. Now I know it looks a little funky, but what it is, it's like a ribbon style type bow, but of course you're using paper. If you guys know like the prize ribbon type of deal, that's what that is. You will cut like these little oval style pieces, or this one here that also leaves an embossed impression of circles. You will cut those out multiple times and then create like a prize ribbon style type of bow. So I can't wait to play with this and show you guys examples of that and how that turned out. I also think that this will be a great idea for upcoming Christmas in July stuff as well. I mean, probably by the time you see this video already is July. I mean, who knows? But anyways, I hope you guys like what I chose and the examples here. Like I said, I will come back in another video and I will show you some more little fun projects, and I show you how I decorated with using the dies as well. And again, I'll have them all linked down below in the description box if in case you're interested in also purchasing these items. So again, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love it when we hang out like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.